Prezidente Repúblika kondekora Grande Kolar Orden Timor-Leste, para Primeiru Ministru Austrália também há tempo rezistensia, Anthony Albanese defende direitu Timor-Leste nian para Ukun rasik-an.
Quarta, Presidente Repúblika Zeramuzorta, tu decreto Presidente Repúblika nian número tolo para rihunrua Ronald kondekora Primeiru Ministru Austrália Anthony Albanese o Grande Kolar Orden Timor-Leste e a Palácio Presidencial Nicolau Lobato. Condecoração no dar reconhecimento ao Estado Timor-Leste para Anthony Albanese, também o lucanesan ativista e defende macas direitu Timor-Leste para Ukun rasik-an e tempu resistência. Não mostra tudo um compromisso e de forte no meeting ou de cliente lutan laço amizade na cooperação entre a Austrália e Timor-Leste e nessa nação vizinho.
Great privilege for me to be with you today. We gather for a moment of special significance. The visit among us of Prime Minister Albanese, not only to honor a distinguished leader, but also to reflect on a relationship that has been shaped by history, geography, solidarity, and shared values. The Order of Timor-Leste, Grande Kolar, is the highest honor our nation can bestow. It is reserved for those whose actions have made a lasting contribution to the dignity, security, and future of Timorese people. It is therefore deeply fitting that we confer this honor today upon the Honorable Anthony Albanese, Prime Minister of Australia. The relationship between Timor-Leste and Australia is not an ordinary one. It was not forged merely through diplomacy or geography, but through shared moments of challenge, conscience, and commitment. At pivotal moments in our history, especially during our long struggle for self-determination, Australia and the Australian people stood with Timor-Leste. They did so as peacekeepers, journalists, advocates, and citizens who believed that distance did not diminish moral responsibility.
Primeiro-Ministro da Austrália tu agradece ao povo Timor-Leste no pronto a tu serviço a moto nessa nação vizinho, a tu radia infraestrutura, educação, a segurança no saúde, no a tu assegura a região de Behakmatek estável no resiliente.
Deeply humbled to receive this extraordinary honour, both as an individual but also as Prime Minister of Australia. And I give my sincere thanks to you all and to the people of Timor-Leste. For me, the gift of this order serves as a testament to the strength and depth of the friendship between our two great nations. The success and flourishing of Timor-Leste, its democracy and its people matters deeply to me as Prime Minister of Australia. And it matters deeply to the people of Australia that I serve and represent. Because reflected in each other, we find a shared history, but we also find a shared future. I was first elected to the Australian Parliament in 1996. At that time, the movement to secure your future as a free, proud and independent nation was gaining momentum.
A Austrália no dar parceiro IDNB metin no confiável e desenvolvimento nacional Timor-Leste foi apoio para metin instituição CIRA, desenvolvimento de infraestrutura, no capacitação recursos humanos. Timor-Leste na Austrália estabelece relação diplomática formal e atina rua ou em loram parceria abrange cooperação política, econômica, segurança no sociocultural, onde reflete visão de para a região IDNB estável no próspero. Agostinho da Costa, Romaldo Neves, GMN.